you know what? I love coming to these shows every year because it always fills me with such excitement seeing people get, people getting really enthusiastic about the things going on. For Lancaster this weekend in particular, it's been probably one of the best weekends that we've had at any show.
It's been a really busy show, probably one of our busiest ever. The golf competition car's gone down. It's been a very, very popular attraction to the stand, and we've interacted with a lot of new people.
The people here are the gritty enthusiasts. They really want to talk about their cars, and you can see that on the Pride of Ownership stand as well.